I wasn't looking for a new AI coding assistant. Honestly, there are already too many. Every week, another tool claims it writes cleaner code, fixes bugs faster, or replaces developers completely. So when I heard about Trae Solo, I didn't expect much. But after using it for a few real projects, I realized it wasn't trying to be flashy. It was trying to make coding feel less frustrating. The first thing I tested was a small web app. I asked it to generate a few components, it explained some existing code, and helped fix an annoying bug. The responses were fast. More importantly, they made sense. It didn't just throw random code at me, it actually explained why it was making certain changes that immediately made it more useful. Then I switched to a larger project, multiple files, more complex logic. That's where I wanted to see if it could keep up. And honestly, it handled context better than I expected. Not perfectly. I still had to review the code and make changes, but it saved me a lot of typing and even more debugging. Now, here's what nobody tells you. No AI coding assistant should replace your brain. If you copy code without understanding it, you're creating problems you won't know how to fix later. That's true for Trae Solo, Claude Code, Cursor, or any other coding AI. The real advantage isn't automatic coding, it's faster problem solving. So, can Trae Solo replace your current AI coding assistant? For some developers, yes, especially if your work involves building apps, debugging, explaining code, or creating prototypes quickly. If you're a freelancer, startup founder, agency developer, or even a beginner learning to code, it can remove a lot of repetitive work. My final opinion? Trae Solo isn't replacing software engineers, it's helping them move faster. And in today's AI world, speed is becoming one of the biggest competitive advantages. So don't judge it by whether it writes perfect code. Judge it by how much time it saves you every single day. For me, that's what makes Trae Solo worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.